What if AI replaced all teachers in America? Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out that every school across the country is now run by artificial intelligence. No human teachers in classrooms, no traditional lectures, and no chalkboards. Every student sits in front of a screen, learning from an AI that knows exactly how they think. Lessons would change instantly. If a student struggles with math, the AI slows down. If another student learns faster, the AI moves ahead without waiting for the rest of the class. Homework is checked in seconds. Tests are graded instantly. There is no waiting, no pressure, and no embarrassment for asking questions. Supporters say this could completely transform education in America. Students in small towns could receive the same quality education as students in the biggest cities. Schools would cost less to run, and learning could happen anytime, anywhere. But school is not only about information. Teachers do more than teach lessons. They motivate students, build confidence, and notice when a child is struggling emotionally. A machine cannot understand fear, excitement, or frustration the way a human can. Without real teachers, students might begin to feel isolated. Learning could become lonely. Classrooms could lose creativity, teamwork, and human connection. Education might become efficient, but less meaningful. The future may not be about replacing teachers completely. Instead, AI could become a powerful assistant, handling grading and repetitive work, while human teachers focus on mentoring and inspiring students. So, what if AI replaced all teachers in America? Would learning become better? Or would we lose something important along the way? Subscribe to What If AI for more stories about the future shaped by artificial intelligence.